Give that a pop, Marcel. Oh, yes! That's a great sound. I know you're not supposed to like have that sound, but it's a great sound.
Yeah, but you know what? When you open one, you just do it anyways.
Right.
Yeah.
Hey, morning everybody. You know what? 1 month today, what we'll be doing? We will be celebrating Christmas morning, hopefully with a little bit of bubbly. So we're getting warmed up for that.
Yes.
Here at Bella Terra Vineyards with my good pal Marcel and a bottle of
the Bella Terra Blanc de Blanc. Traditional method, 100% Chardonnay from our 35-year-old vines. On the lees for almost 4 years in bottle before we pop it open and start celebrating.
And we say salute and cheers. And like enjoy that sunshine. Listen, it's the end of November.
Yes.
And we get to be out here. I know it's a little windy, but we get to deal with the elements. Great to see you. I know you guys are excited for the holiday season. You're excited about Black Friday because that comes up tomorrow.
Yeah, huge sale, which I want to tell you all about it. Right. But we have, thought we'd start the morning with a little breakfast for champions.
All right. What we got?
We have next few weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, we have great Bella Terra tasting experience of 4 food items paired with our wines that people can book online. There's only 24 spots available every day, but our chef has created some really cool stuff. So shortbread, we all know, this is rosemary and citrus shortbread made specifically to pair with the Blanc de Blanc.
Can I grab one of these right there?
You know, you have to.
Okay, I'm ordered. This is part of my job description, which people love. Okay, so we're going there. Do I bite or drink first?
You go back and forth.
Right.
You go back and forth.
Cheers.
Cheers.
There we go.
So,
that is very nice.
I think you're gonna take advantage of this great weather. Lou wants to take you for a walk in the vineyard.
Okay.
And we have some stuff indoors for this. The Black Friday sale, it's Thursday, but Black Friday sale, because we can't wait, starts actually right now. Okay. So people can go online while you're eating and drinking.
Well, listen, this is outstanding. There's something about rosemary that's just, I don't know.
It lifts everything.
It does.
Yeah.
I was going to say, I don't want to say bully, because it doesn't bully things, but it's very prominent in something like that, and that is very tasty to pair with this. What's the other two that we got here?
One of our hot big sellers here, part of our sparkling pack, is the Sparkling Brut, also dry, but very fruit forward. And we have, for the people that like pink sparkling wine, our Sparkling Rosé. Both of them great, easy drinking wines. Just to start, if you want to do a mimosa, this one is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, maybe don't put the orange juice in that one.
And maybe, I was going to say, hold the orange juice on the Blanc de Blanc. That's something that you want to stock up on, you know, celebrate lots over the holidays, because we all deserve it.
Okay, happy Black Friday. Head to your website for all the Black Friday sales, and we're celebrating
big ones.
1 month until Christmas. So we'll come back and we'll be with proprietor Lou in the vineyard, dealing with this beautiful Thursday morning on Morning Live.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's almost the end of November. We still get to spend time in the vineyard. Great to be back at Bella Terra. My man Luke behind the camera, he loves when we're out here, and he loves when it's sunny, because you can use the vineyard to get those great shots. And it's great to be with proprietor Lou Puglisi. How are you, Lou?
I am well. How are you doing?
Good to see you, man. Harvest went well?
Harvest is over, went well.
What's so the end of November? What are these vines doing now?
So they are going into full dormancy. So the leaves have dropped, and we've hilled the vines up to protect the graft.
So you've done all of this yourself. You want to be putting all this stuff up as high as you can around the vines?
That's right.
Is that just for the winter to come?
That is just for the winter, and then we remove that soil again in springtime.
What if you didn't do that?
Well, it's just an added level of insurance for us. So if we do get a severe cold winter, it does protect the rootstock.
Okay. This vineyard is which?
This is our Riesling vineyard.
Oh, I happen to have one right here. This is the 2020. Okay. Yeah, how's Riesling to grow and harvest?
Riesling does very, very well here for us. and it's one of the easier varieties to grow.
Why is that?
It's just a very hardy grape to grow and very suitable to our climate.
Okay. In our glasses, we have.
We have our Bellatera Red right now.
Look at the legs on it, eh?
Yeah,
We want to see those legs, don't we?
we do. And this is going to be part of our Black Friday sale, which starts today.
Right.
Bellatera Red will be $5 off a bottle.
Nice. Let's see that bottle. You
And,
got the bottle right there.
Yeah.
Right. And then this one too, right? This is the Riesling.
And $3
That's
off
$3
on the
there.
Bellatera Riesling. So very excited to showcase these two wines this year for our Black Friday sale.
What's it like for you to, I don't know, being the proprietor? This is all you. You've been doing this for years and years and years. Being able to take the grapes off the vineyard and then being able to enjoy it in a glass like that.
Absolutely. It gives me great satisfaction to showcase and share this with everyone.
As long as it's good.
It is
When do you know it's good?
when you taste it.
No, but I'm saying, could you taste it and you're just like, but you're not going to put something in a bottle that's not going to taste
Absolutely
good. That's
not.
that's what I mean. But
No,
like
and
along the process,
Yes.
do you
Well,
know that
because
the grapes that you've taken off for the 2021 harvest?
Yes.
Do you already know it's going to be a good vintage? Do we
Well,
know yet?
We do, because the quality begins, making great wine begins in the vineyard. So we know as soon as we harvest whether it's going to be a good year or a great year.
Right. What do we got here? We got, okay, so this is 2020. What year is that one?
This
that
is 2018.
2018?
Yes.
Can you think back on what happened in 2018? How's your memory with that?
2018 was good.
All right.
I do remember snippets of it. So, but 2020, 2021, good years.
Awesome.
2020 was spectacular, actually.
Right.
And 2021 is going to be a good year.
We look forward to 2022 when
Absolutely.
when there's going to be Riesling grapes coming off
That's right.
here, and we'll be back there to experience that. Much like we love spending time in the vineyard here at Bellatera, and we love talking to proprietor Lou. We'll head inside and enjoy some wine paired with some sweet eats. We return on Morning Live. Giving the gift of wine, nothing better than that. Actually, we were in the vineyard in our last segment, in the Riesling vineyard, actually showing off where the Riesling grapes are at. They're not really at anywhere because they're dormant, but this is what the produce is. Back here with my good buddy Marcel. Cheers, pal.
Oh, thank you very much.
Good to see you, man. Inside here at Bellatera Vineyards with a whole collection of wine and goodies. You want to do the Black Friday stuff first because that's happening right now.
Yeah, well, that's you know, the limited time stuff here. So going until the end of Monday, but starting today, Black Friday starts early in wine country.
Right.
So this lineup of wines here is all for sale on our website. Some awesome deals. I'm not going to tell you all of them.
What's your fave?
Well, this is $99.95 a case
Okay,
of 12 bottles.
Stone. I know Skipping Stone. Anybody that doesn't know Skipping Stone, why is it so awesome?
It's a table wine, but has a little bit of spritz. Just a great wine to get the party started. And we have some of our rosés. We're making room for next year's vintage. But some of these favorite reds too, like our Cabernet Reserve and the Bellatera Red are huge sellers. And you know, as a thank you to everyone, these wines are going to be $5 off a bottle,
Okay.
40% off on some ice wine. Lots for everyone to choose from.
Okay, so let's get into the gift packs, because this is the kind of a combination of wine lovers with everything else.
Well, food and wine goes hand in hand,
Okay.
and we're making it easy for everyone to send gifts to family and friends. We have pizza packs. This is the pasta pack with our own proprietary olive oil from Tuscany. We have our own pasta sauce there. Apron, the beautiful one that you are wearing.
That I'm modeling
And
here.
all paired with some great artisan pasta and
Get the
wine.
elevator down. How do you choose the wines that go with these gift packs?
Well, we did some depending on how you like your sauce. So that's just the base sauce, and then you can add meat, or you can add vegetables. So we have some lighter wines and some like the big Cab Franc that you love in there, for example, as well.
I want to open this one up, because what's in?
Oh, this is a cool one. This is sweet and savory pack. So we have some cheese crisps, we have some truffles, we have some sweetie drop peppers. There is some wine pairing chocolate in there as well, some crackers. So just when you want to, watch some Netflix over the holidays and nibble on some stuff and enjoy some wines, we have a beautiful Sauvignon Blanc, the Pinot Noir, that Bellatera Red in there. So lots of choices.
Can you customize them if you wanted to?
Yes.
You can
Not on the website itself. You just send us a message or give us a call, and we'd be happy to, for corporate gifting and so on,
Gotcha.
to do this. And it all ships. That's the nice thing. It's, all this stuff in a box, because really gift baskets are hard to ship otherwise.
I got the mask on, but I'm bringing it down to sip on this Riesling because I haven't tried it yet. Ooh. And it's cold. Very nice, like that. We're gonna get some actual physical food here because you can come to Bella Terra Vineyards and do a nice pairing with some wine, so we'll do that. We come back with Marcel and the whole gang on Morning Live.
Go to my head.
And now we eat because the Taste of Bellatera experience is on here at Bella Terra Vineyard, and I am all for it. Back here with Marcel, who is pouring our delicious wines, paired with the eats that your in-house chef Danielle has prepared for us. It looks fantastic. You're gonna pour all those out.
I am.
Just so we see all the wonderful colors that are coming out of the sparkling and the white.
Doesn't that food look amazing?
The red. It looks great. So is this something that you're going to be trying to doing throughout each season? These type of experiences?
So it's the Taste of Bellatera, and we're doing it seasonally. This is the winter edition, the winter foods and wines. So you can see a little bit heavier fare, but we balance it out with the sparkling, with the Blanc de Blanc. We have our the Sauvignon Blanc, the Fumé Blanc here, the Cabernet Franc, and the Cabernet Franc ice wine.
Okay. Let's go back to this one, because I know when we first saw you earlier this morning, we actually saw the shortbread.
Which was
fantastic, and I loved it because there's some rosemary in there, there's some lemon in there.
It has a little bit of moisture though too, so it's not like that totally dry shortbread. And that structure just goes really well with that mousse, the bubbles in the wine, that little bit of rosemary that gets it a little festive, and that zing of citrus just works really well with the acidity in the Blanc de Blanc.
Can I just say, I'm not a shortbread person, to be honest, because I always find a lot of shortbread is dry.
Yeah, same here.
Outstanding. Awesome. Well done, Danielle. Okay, so next is Fumé Blanc.
Fumé Blanc. So when people come in, there's only 24 spots available every day on Saturdays and Sundays right now. This is what you're going to get to experience. So you go from the shortbread to the deep-fried goat cheese, a little bit of herbs, a little bit of spices in there. And you need some acidity to balance it out, but also, it's very creamy when you taste it.
Right.
And this Fumé Blanc has been aged in oak barrel, so it has a little bit, it's a little bit rounder, a little bit heavier, and it kind of matches that creamy texture of the goat's cheese.
That is amazing.
Yeah, you
Awesome.
gotta
Love that.
Yeah, just from that crunchy outside, beautiful
Nice
stuff.
soft inside. Okay. Let's get a little bit heavier now.
This is
the big boys.
The big boys, very limited production, as you know, on our reserve reds, the Cabernet Franc from our old vines, and we have it paired with the pulled pork slider that was marinated for 24 hours in our Bellatera Red, and then slow cooked for 8 hours, and.
Cameraman Luke is like, where are you taking that? Where are you taking that?
Look at this. There's not much else to say.
It's almost like a one bite. I don't think we're going to get it in one bite.
You have the toughest job. So we have everything from the starter to the main to dessert on one plate.
Okay, let's talk dessert. Let's get there.
Cabernet Franc ice wine. We get that one drop of juice from every frozen grape. It's really nice, concentrated, and we have it paired with a very fluffy, light Japanese cheesecake. When you pair ice wine and dessert, or any dessert wine and dessert, you want to make sure that the wine is not sweeter than the dessert. So that's why we went with this. We have a little bit of that berry jam on top to match the berry characteristics in the ice
Nice,
wine.
light, fluffy,
Yes,
a little bit of sugar
to
context
make the ice wine pop.
there. Yay! Winners. Amazing. Hats off to Danielle. Very fantastic. Okay, so
So-
24 spots, next 4 weekends.
Yeah, so Saturdays and Sundays, every day, 24 spots. You can book online. While you're on the site and
Right.
you're booking online, you
This is
got
all
to
Black
check
Friday.
out
All
the
Black
Black Friday
stuff.
sale.
Line up,
That's
the
right.
lineup that you will be shipping out. It starts today and goes until
Right
Monday.
now until the end of Monday.
Hey man, a month today is Christmas. I won't see you. Merry Christmas to you and your
Merry
family.
Christmas to
Everybody-
you.
Everybody here at Bellatera. I'm going to have the rest of this.
Use the rest of the segment to devour the pulled pork. Nice to see you, Tim.
Here we sit enjoying the shade.
Hey, brother, pour the wine.
Drink the drink that I have made.
Hey,